So there's really three ways that engineers can get a job at Avista. The first one I don't have listed here, but it's your typical way of applying for a specific position on a specific engineering team. So that's one way. But the second way, which is my first bullet here, is it's the Student Engineering Development Program, and that's for students who are getting an ABET accredited engineering degree in electrical, mechanical, or civil engineering. So it's during the summer months, but then also it can continue into the school year depending on the location you're in and the work that you're assigned. But the real requirement is that you must be getting that ABET accredited degree, which WSU students qualify for, and then you must be a returning student in the fall. So it can't be your last, you already graduated and you aren't planning on returning. So you have to be a returning student in the fall. And the program is set up for 16 students, well, up to 16 students, that they're assigned work on various engineering teams throughout the company. And then during those 3 months, during the summer, engineering students, they're assigned mentors, they're taken on tours when possible. We've kind of figured out a way to do some virtual tours during the virtual work from home time, and they're also given opportunities to learn about other teams that they may not be working on during that summer, because we have engineers on different teams give presentations to our students. So the postings for the Student Engineering Development Program, those usually go up in January. So if you're interested in that, be looking for that next month. And then the third opportunity here, my second bullet, is for the Engineering Development Program. And again, this is for students that are graduating or will be graduating in a ABET accredited program for electrical, mechanical, or civil engineering. The program is intended to be about 2 years with rotations every 6 months, working on various engineering teams throughout the company. So you may be thinking, gosh, how many teams can there possibly be to work on at Avista? Well, on my next slide here, I show that there are actually quite a few. So Avista provides both gas and electric, and then it's also a vertically integrated utility, which means that it owns all levels of the supply chain, so generation, transmission, and distribution. And so that adds up to a lot of opportunities for engineers, as shown here on the illustration with circles. So where can you find opportunities at Avista? One way, you can go to Avista's website, myavista.com, and click on About Us tab. And then from there, you can navigate to Working on Avista, or I'm sorry, it says Working at Avista. And then it should bring you to a site that allows you to search for careers. So this list of job opportunities is updated regularly. So you can keep going back to that to look at postings. And again, if you're interested in the Student Engineering Development Program, be looking at this location in January. And then for the Engineering Development Program for engineers or students that are graduating or have just graduated, that is posted usually in the late summer, early fall, so August to October timeframe.